In Chinese metaphysics aspect, do you know that your wealth secret code is inside your date of birth? Sometimes if you apply into the different system, it can be up to the time. This secret code also reveals your wealth opportunity in what industry or what field, such as either from the banking, IT, or engineering, and etc. And you have a better lens to know what kind of the job may bring you the most potential for success.
Yes!
If you are looking for a job now and you might be scratching your head, where can you look and who can help you during job searching? The answer is in your wealth secret code to increase your chances of getting the job opportunity. Should you need a consultation about your career advancement or job opportunity, feel free to contact me via TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube. I'm also going to conduct a live stream workshop on 29 April 2023, Desire Manifestation Virtual Workshop. The detailed link information is provided under the comment below. And you can find out my previous video that I'm talking about the manifestation. Don't forget to like and follow for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your job search.